LG the most trusted washing machine brand for 2019. Report LG has emerged as the most trusted washing machine brand for 2019. As per TRA's Brand Trust Report, LG claims to be the first in the industry to launch 5-star rating washing machines in top-loading and semi-automatic range, featuring the innovative Wi-Fi, NFC technology as well as 6-motion direct drive. LG washing machines enable 99.9% germ-free wash. Apple sued for third time for allegedly stealing dual-camera tech. Israel-based Corephotonics has sued Apple for the third time over claims that the iPhone maker stole the technology used in the dual cameras. Apple allegedly infringed on 10 patents on every dual camera present in iPhone 7 Plus and above. Corephotonics had first sued Apple after it analyzed the iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 8 Plus cameras in November 2017. Trump says he had dinner with Apple CEO Tim Cook on Friday. As President Donald Trump said he was having dinner on Friday with Apple CEO Tim Cook. Having dinner tonight with Tim Cook of Apple. They will be spending vast sums of money in the US. Great. He tweeted. Trump has repeatedly asked Apple and other manufacturers to move their production from China and other countries to the US. Next Apple Watch could have ceramic, titanium cases. Report the next Apple Watch could include titanium and ceramic cases. Brazilian site IHELPBR reported citing information from the latest WatchOS beta release. The new screens in the beta showed graphics used to pair the Apple Watch during setup, and listed titanium case and ceramic case. Apple previously offered a ceramic Apple Watch alongside Series 2 and Series 3 models.